Hello everyone, I am Orko, you are watching TechnoBroSA, and in today's video I'm going to talk about the Google Pixel 4a and give you the probable reasons for why should you buy this smartphone and why should you not. And apart from that, I have to give you a good news that Google Pixel 4a is up for sale on Flipkart during the Flipkart Big Billion Days, which is scheduled on 16th of October. So if you want to buy this smartphone, then you can avail this smartphone for only rupees 30,000. And if you have the Flipkart Axis Bank credit card or the Axis Buzz credit card, then you will get an extra 5% discount on this price. So without any further ado, let's get started.
Subscribe to TechnoBroSA and don't forget to click that bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a video.
Firstly, talking about the reasons for why should you buy this smartphone. This is only the probable reasons according to my assumption, so it might differ according to you. You should buy this smartphone because it has 5.81 inches of screen size. Actually, nowadays mostly people are looking for big screen smartphones, but I personally prefer shorter screen smartphones or shorter display smartphones like 5 inches or 5.8 inches like that. And this smartphone has 5.81 inches of screen size, which is actually pretty good, which actually appears smaller in hand, and it is easier to carry, less weighty of course, and that's why I prefer this. And apart from this, it has OLED display, which is a good feature, and which actually reduces battery consumption a lot. And of course its camera, like its single camera can take those pictures which quad camera smartphones cannot take, and it is generally the special feature of a Pixel smartphone. And now talking about the probable reasons for why should you not buy this smartphone. Also, this probable reasons are according to my assumption, it might differ for you. So I think that this 730G chipset in this smartphone is quite inaccurate according to its price. I know it's a Pixel smartphone, but I think there should be an upgradation to this chipset, and 730 chipset is also there in Poco X. So why should I buy this smartphone? Only for a camera, like a camera enthusiast can buy this, but if I am a gamer or like I do heavy work and I am low on budget, so obviously I will not go for a Pixel smartphone. So I think that that's a drawback. And also its battery, like 3140 mAh of battery with 18-watt fast charging. Firstly, okay, if you are giving 3000 mAh of battery, you should at least provide a better fast charger, like more than 18 watt. 3000 mAh of battery is quite low, because like if you are a heavy smartphone user, then it will barely pass a day for you to use this smartphone, and so you need to like charge it twice or more than that for one day. So I think it's not a good feature in this smartphone. So I think that these are the reasons for why should you buy this smartphone and why should you not. Like if you have any other questions, you can comment down below in the comment section, and if you like this video, do drop a big fat thumbs up, and if you are new here, do subscribe to our channel TechnoBroSA to never miss any new Dell Tech update. So this was it for today. See you in the next video. Bye.